Hey everyone, it's Marcus Brownlee here, and today we're diving into the world of mobile-first design. More people are accessing the internet primarily through their smartphones. So, if you're designing for the web or building an app, you need to be thinking mobile first, and that's exactly what we're going to unpack in this video. We'll cover the principles, benefits, best practices, and tools to help you get started. All right. Let's kick things off with the core principles of mobile-first design. You're designing for the smallest screen size first. Typically a mobile phone, prioritize the most important content and features. Layout needs to be simple and intuitive, easy to navigate with just your thumb. Think clear hierarchy, easy to tap buttons, and a logical flow. Mobile-first design is about testing and iterating based on feedback. Get it in front of users, see how they interact, and make adjustments. So we've covered the principles, but why go through all this trouble? The benefits of mobile-first design are huge. Designing for the smallest screen first leads to a more intuitive and user-friendly experience across all devices. No more pinching and zooming, everything just works. Positive user experience means users are more likely to stick around and engage. Mobile-first design also means better performance on smaller screens. Websites and apps load faster, run smoother, and use less data. Mobile-first best practices design tips you need to know. Responsive design is non-negotiable. Your website or app needs to adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices. Choose clear, legible fonts that are large enough to read comfortably. Keep navigation simple, intuitive, and easy to use with one hand. Compress your images and consider using lazy loading techniques. Test your design on different devices, screen sizes, and browsers. Identify usability issues and ensure your website or app looks and works great. Testing is crucial to a successful mobile-first design. Your mobile-first toolkit essential design tools. Sketch is a must-have for creating and prototyping websites and apps. Figma is fantastic for collaboration, allowing teams to work together in real time. Adobe XD is a powerhouse for creating interactive prototypes. InVision is known for its powerful prototyping capabilities. Google's Material Design provides comprehensive guidelines and resources. These tools can help you create beautiful, user-friendly mobile experiences. Equip yourself with the right tools to excel in mobile-first design. Level up your design game with mobile first. We've covered the principles, benefits, best practices, and tools. Designing with a mobile-first mindset is a necessity in today's mobile-driven world. Start implementing these tips and tools today to take your design to the next level. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.